One of the most significant changes that we've seen in the data center industry over the past 3, 5, or 6 years is the way the cabinets actually get delivered to a data center. If we turn the clock back a few years ago, the common practice was to design and build a data center and fully populate that data center with cabinets. The way that cabinets arrive now, from our factories, cabinets very frequently ship to a third-party integrator. The integrator takes delivery of all the active equipment that's going to go into the cabinet, installs it, loads applications, burns that cabinet in, crates it up, puts it on a specialized pallet called a shock pallet, and that cabinet, filled with very expensive IT gear, rolls across the road, arrives at the data center, gets uncrated, rolled into place, plugged in, and bang, we're good to go. Much different, and really impacts the way that we need to think about the type of cabinet that we're going to select and the way that cabinet is going to be packaged for shipment. This whole approach is being called in the data center rack and stack or rack and roll. So when you hear these terms, rack and stack, rack and roll, or maybe it's something you're doing right now, we'd like your feedback on how much thought really goes into installing the equipment, crating it up, it's going over the road. Are you working with your cabinet manufacturer or with an integrator to be innovative when it comes to different ideas for protecting the equipment inside the cabinet? Let us know, leave your comments, and we'll speak to those on a video down the road. Thanks very much.